Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashish Chakravarti. In these videos I normally share my experiences and my learnings based on my life, what I have carried out, and I'm just trying to share through these videos where I share these things so that it becomes helpful for somebody who really needs it. And if you and I would request you. So today's topic of the video is attitude. You might be knowing it. Yes, of course, attitude. I have attitude, you have attitude, everybody has attitude, right? Somebody shows it, somebody doesn't shows it, right? But what exactly is attitude? There are two types of attitude. One is positive, one is negative. Sometimes we have heard that, okay fine, his attitude is not right. It might be a positive attitude for the person who is showing it, but the receiving end might be thinking that the attitude that was being shown is a negative. So we have to decide what the receiving end is getting as an attitude from our end, as well as what we are showing it to other people is a positive attitude, because an attitude can make your life, can break your life, as simple as that. If you don't have an attitude in your life, in your thinking, in your behavior, then it really becomes difficult for you to collaborate with people, to speak to people, and people receive you as a positive guy, right? Nobody wants negativity in their life. Knowingly, unknowingly, negativity comes in the life, but yes, genuinely nobody wants negativity in the life. Everybody needs positivity, no matter what. Even the most negative guy will need positive things in his life. So sharpen up your attitude, work towards your goal. It helps elevate in life. I may not reach the goal, highest dream, what I have dreamt about myself, but yes, of course, if I have a right attitude, I will reach somewhere that I know I will reach somewhere. So attitude is everything. For example, attitude. Why would I say attitude is everything? Because in life we excel, we fail, we go through highs, we go through lows, but if we keep a positive attitude and approach towards the task, towards the job that we are doing, towards people whom we are meeting up, who are in our surrounding, then it keeps you sailing. It keeps you sailing through the life, right? It gives you confidence. It gives you confidence, it gives you determination. Because even if you are failing, you will see the positive side of failing, because it gave you an experience and you will not repeat it on a later basis. Because without failing, there is no success. There is basically no definition of success without failure. So when you have tasted failure with a positive attitude, then you will be in a far better condition with a better attitude to taste the success. Find positivity in everything and move beyond the negative things, right? Don't bring negativity into your life. Find positive in most of the things, I would say. It's almost impossible to find positivity in all the aspects of life, but yes, of course, I hope you understand what point I'm trying to mention, what point I'm trying to suggest, right? And attitude is super awesome thing. Try building it. I will be posting few of the videos on same as well, on how to build up the attitude, how to work more upon oneself. But believe me, the day you got an attitude, you will be more determined, you will be more focused, you will be more confident, you will be speaking to people like butter. Bring up a positive attitude in your life. Don't be that naysayer, don't be that crying baby all the time. Fix things in your life and move ahead. Every job comes with a problem, but if you only focus on the problem, you will never be able to focus on the right things and how to solve that problem, right? So look beyond that, because your perspective will increase. And the day you complete or finish the task or the job or the issue that has been provided by life in your career, you will build up confidence. You will build up determination that okay, fine, I am ready to go for the next level. For example, you are playing a small video. Let's take an example of a small video game. Do you always play the video game and win it on the very first level? No, right? If it is actually a tough video game. The moment you fail, you restart the video game again and you go ahead with that. Again you fail. First 4 or 5 times you will be in a level 1 or level 2 or level 3 or at least below level 5, right? But when the level goes on increasing, the difficulty goes on increasing, right? And that's where your attitude comes in. Your attitude is you might be able to make more points, more number of points in a higher level. You are seeing the positive thing. If you have a negative attitude, you would say this game is shit. This game is not proper, right? It has so much difficulty level, and you will quit the game. You will uninstall the app, the gaming app, as simple as that, and you will never be able to know what is there in the level 10, level 20. Why? Because you quit. You have already quit on level 5. But if you have a better attitude, if you have a positive attitude, you go ahead. Even if you come back to level 1, you know how to surpass level 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be easy. Then again you start back. 6th level, 7th level with higher difficulty level, and that's where your attitude comes. This is just a small example that I am trying to give you. It happens with game, it happens with life, it happens with career, it happens with relationship and everything. So my friends, start building a positive attitude in your life. It will help you out in a long term, it will really help you out. Thank you so much. If you really like the video, these videos are made for people who look out to elevate themselves in life. It is based out of my personal experiences, what I am sharing, what I have thoughts, how I take care of myself on a mental level, on dealing with day-to-day jobs, dealing with day-to-day life, right? On dealing with the situations what I come through. So these attributes what I discuss about, try to implement, and if you are not implementing, at least try to give it a thought. At least try to give it a thought. Give it a thought. Try it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Then you see the difference yourself, and don't lie to yourself. Don't lie. See the difference yourself. You will be a much better person, You will be liked by more people. You will be liked so much, my friends. If you really like the video, please do like and subscribe, and